The OSDP Boot Camp put on by the Security Industry Association is one of the most important things that I think that integrators and end users can sit through and learn from.
OSDP Boot Camp is a one-day training to provide information for integrators and end-user technicians who are working with the Open Supervised Device Protocol, which is a serial protocol between readers and panels. It's designed for technicians who either have hands-on work with readers or panels, or the people who have to provision the systems at the back end, and also for the system operators to be able to do ongoing maintenance and troubleshooting.
One of the main reasons to attend the OSDP Boot Camp is that every year we hear about more and more end users standardizing OSDP across all of their sites. And as an integrator, installer, whatever your role is in the deployment process, it is so important for you to be ready to support your end users in their goals. And OSDP is going to be a big part of that now and into the future across the industry. And I think you're putting yourself at a disadvantage by not being at an OSDP boot camp and being ready for your end users in the way that they want to be supported.
The hardest part of OSDP is understanding the use of secure channel and the data encryption technology. After taking OSDP Boot Camp, people will be able to identify OSDP issues and know what kinds of things to look at when they're trying to do a deployment so they can have a successful deployment, and how to be able to do ongoing maintenance for OSDP equipment.
It really teaches you under the hood how OSDP works, how to program it, how to deploy it properly.
The coolest thing is they learn how to set up a secure environment so that it's much more robust, and all the various hacking comments about cards and intercepting card reads and this and that, you can defend yourself against that.
We should be moving as an industry towards OSDP everywhere. If I had a request of the industry, it would be for more people to get involved in the technical subcommittees, the working groups, and get involved with SIA and help us all work towards the goals that we're trying to achieve, and know that none of us are doing it in a silo. We're all working together, and we want your input, and we want your involvement, and we want you to be involved in the committee, and we want to hear your voice, and we want to hear the things that are important to you. What do your customers want to see in the spec? And we want to help you get it there. A key pillar of OSDP is interoperability. It's truly about all of us working together and delivering a seamless experience for our end users, and that's the important piece to me.
A key pillar of OSDP is the maintenance and management capability. It allows you to control readers through panels, and so you can do maintenance at scale.
A key pillar of OSDP is security.
We as an industry need to make sure that our customers have the most encryption and the most secure connection with their devices.
I'd highly recommend that anybody that installs or deploys systems, they come to the OSDP Boot Camp, they sit through the session, they do the hands-on work. It's going to enable you to be a better practitioner and a better advisor to your customers. One of the next courses coming up for OSDP Boot Camp will be at ISC West in Las Vegas. I'm going to be there. I'm committed to doing that. I'm going to sit through the class. I'm going to take it with you. But get your butt in the seat. Get there, register. I'll put a link in the comments below on how you register. But come, improve, learn about OSDP, and I promise it will be well worth your time. We all really hope to see you there.